Your likes list function is dependent on subscription status. Free users must decide whether to X or like the first person on the list before the next person appears at the top of the list. Free users will see a locked likes list, meaning you have to go through likes one at a time, chronologically sorted from newest to oldest. There is no limit to how many likes you can send or respond to. Theoretically, you can go through your entire likes list in one sitting, even as a free user. For example, a user sees a like from James. Once they either like or X James, the next person who sent them a like will appear unlocked at the top of the list, and the user now has to make a decision about Lily. Dateability Plus users can see everyone who has sent a like all at once in a complete list. Visibility is not locked for Dateability Plus users. Dateability Plus users do not have to make an immediate decision. They can let a person sit in the likes list and view other likes in any order they choose.